Okay, my curiosity got me wondering about hubcaps. Okay, now these ones are the old style. These ones are the old style. And these ones are the new style, but they're not the 67 style because they don't have that inside ridge. I'm pretty sure these aren't going to fit on any of those wheels. These ones are the new ones without the ridge, and these ones are the new ones without the ridge. So, got a bunch of hubcaps that don't have one of the ones I'm going to want. That's okay. That's why they make eBay, or Jegs, or any number of them Volkswagen places and such. Hope it don't start raining before I get this done. Get that bug getting rained on. So I'm gonna try to make a kind of a quick job of getting these wheels swapped out front to back. Okay, that'll get me through another week. I'm gonna grab me a blanket I got on the front seat of the truck that I can throw down and lay those guns on when I put them in the car. Sweet doggies.